Na siya, oh.
Nandyan pa din ba? Nakapag
Go.
Gina bossing, Gina bossing, Gina.
Start.
Mabuhay, we are about to present the 1 to 10 transportation institutions here in the Philippines. Next slide. Let's start with the To Go Travel or the To Go Group Incorporation. Next slide. It is a Philippines-based company engaged in transporting people and cargo using the fleet of inter-island ferries and cargo ships. It is specifically for sea travel and located to sa Pier 4, Manila North Harbor. So To Go is a prominent logistics and transportation brand based in the Philippines, specializing in a wide range of services designed to facilitate both cargo and passenger transport. It is also known for its comprehensive solutions. Ang To-Go ay nag-offer ng several variety of services including sa domestic and international shipping, freight forwarding, or sa mga exports and imports, as well as the passenger ferry services. So pagdating sa passenger transport, they have modern ferries with good amenities and they also use several vessels. And pagdating naman sa fare nila, nakadepende siya sa seasonality and availability ng date of travel. Moreover, the company plays a crucial role in connecting various regions across the archipelago, providing reliable and efficient transport options. Next slide. Followed by the Allison Shipping Lines Incorporation. It is also water-based transportation as well. Next slide. It is a shipping company based in Zamboanga, Philippines. Their service include routes to Sandakan, Malaysia, and over the Pitan to Dumaguete. Nag-ship din sila ng cargo from Zamboanga City to Manila with 12 of their container carriers. And according then to them, at present, they also operates a fleet of 36 vessels, becoming as one of the largest shipping operators sa Western Mindanao. And also, it is a maritime company in the Philippines that offers both passenger and cargo shipping services. Na-establish siya noong 1981 and eventually na-recognized din for their efficient transport across domestic and international routes. Next presenter, please.
So next is Angkas. Angkas is one of the most convenient and easiest way of transportation mode here in the Philippines. Lalo na sa Manila para sa mga commuters doon or mga taong mga nagtatrabaho na gusto nilang makaiwas sa traffic. So, DBDOYC Incorporation, doing business as Angkas, is a Philippine motorcycle vehicle for hire and package delivery company. It is a popular motorcycle ride-hailing service in the Philippines, known for providing fast and convenient transportation within urban areas. It caters to passengers needing quick, reliable rides, business in cities. So, dito nga sa Angkas, parang ginawa siya dito sa Philippines para mas mabilis and mas mapagaan yung way ng mga tao para makapunta doon sa mga pupuntahan nila, including the packages kung gusto mong magpa-deliver man ng kung ano. Tapos next is the Archipelago Philippine Ferries Corporation. So, operates a network of ferries in the Philippines, specializing in transporting passengers and cargo between various islands. They focus on safe and dependable inter-island ferry services. a ferry company which serves passengers and cargo routes, serving select seaports in the Philippines with its fleet of catamaran roll-on-roll or roll-off, or we all known as Ro-Ro ferries. It also operates ports and terminals. So dito naman sa Archipelago Philippine Ferries Corporation, sila yung parang mga barko na naghahatid ng passengers or cargo dun sa mga rutang pupuntahan nila via via sea. So next is
Asian Marine Transport Corporation. Next. It is owned and operates the Super Shuttle Roro, Super Shuttle Ferry and Shuttle Fast Ferry brand of Roro and Ropax ferries, serving 32 ports of call. So, AMTEC organized in 2009 Super Shuttle Roro Corporation. It is a first fully owned subsidiary to operate its vessel in the Luzon area with Batangas City as its hub. AMTC was incorporated in 1999 in Cebu City, Philippines, with the goal of providing end-to-end transport and logistics services, as well shipping services for inter-island passengers and cargoes. Also, AMTC operates 25 vessels in its fleet, composed of 24 roll-on, roll-off Roro vessels and it fast craft. It serves 32 ports of call all over in the Philippines. Next, please.
So next is Asian Terminals Inc. Incorporation. Next. Asian Terminals Incorporation or ATI is a Philippine stock exchange listed port operator, developer, and investor of competitive marine terminal services which provide comprehensive ports and logistics services. Collectively, these vital trade and transport gateways provide comprehensive ports and logistics services for containerized cargoes, bulk and break bulk cargoes, project and rolling shipment and passengers, unmatched service offerings in the Philippine supply chain. Next, please. Cebu Ferries. Next, please. Its hub were at Pier 4 in Cebu City. Ito ay bahagi na ngayon ng To Go Travel. Cebu Ferries was created to serve the investment operation of YGN-A. Next, presenter, please.
CEM Trans Service Incorporation. Next. CEM Trans Services Incorporation was established in October 2007 under the management of Christine Shano E. Mahilak, the founder of Jonah Jess Transport, and other mentioned companies under the Mahilak Group. It started with non-aircon buses plying the FTI SM Purview route until the company acquired more units plying FTI Grotto, San Jose del Monte. They also acquired 3 Daewoo units purchased from Renan Transit in June 2008. Recently, they reflected into a new air-conditioned Nissan diesel Euro houses. Recent updates in CEM Trans Services Incorporation was was created an initiative in the regards of lack of many buses bound to SM City Purview, which was situated at Food Terminal Incorporation or FTI in Taguig from the defunct HR Lines, where its latter franchise was given to Mahilak Group last 2006. Its sister company, Nicolas Albert Transport Incorporation, was the first to be created under the defunct bus company. She was followed by CEM Trans a year later. As of today, CEM Trans is utilizing Nissan and Aveco units. This also includes the acquired Daewoo non-aircon units from Reran Transit. Additionally, CEM Trans acquired a Volvo BZ7RL Daewoo BF106, Daewoo BS106, and Abeco CC150 units. Another trivia, it is said that CEM Trans Services Incorporation, like the provincial bus company, Partas, uses the Roadrunner logo to mean the fastest city bus company among other bus companies in the Philippines. Servicing along EDSA corridor, the bus speed limit for Metro Manila roads is 80 km/h. Yung CEM is Crisanciano E. Mahilak. Okay, next. Chelsea Logistics. Chelsea Logistics and Infrastructure Holdings Corporation, the biggest shipping and logistics company in the Philippines, operates through its wholly owned subsidiaries. Chelsea Shipping Corp, Trans-Asia Shipping Lines Incorporation, Starlight Ferries, INC, TASLI or TESLI Services, INC, the Supercat Fast Ferry Corporation, and WorkLink Services Incorporation. Chelsea Logistics understands the crucial role it plays in providing shipping and logistics services within the country's archipelagic physical setting. It has continuously expanded its fleet and reached through several regional partnerships and strategic acquisitions of reputable local shipping lines and logistics brands, fulfilling its vision of being the finest shipping and logistic company known for its unrivaled customer service. This another info about Chelsea Logistics. Ang warehouse capacity niya is 9,584 square meter. Ang passenger capacity naman na masasakay sa kanya ay sa barko is 15,264 pax. Ang ano naman, cargo capacity is 2,695 TEU or tons. Tapos, about sa sustainability naman ng Chelsea, Chelsea contributes to environmental sustainability by reducing the volume of generated waste and increasing the percentage of recycled waste. Okay, next presenter.
Civil Aeronautic Board. The Civil Aeronautic Board is the agency of the government mandated to regulate the economic aspect of air transportation and shall have the general supervision. Next po. The Civil Aeronautic Board, or CBA, is an agency of the government mandated to the economic aspect of air transportation and control and jurisdiction over air carriers, general sales agents, cargo sales agents, and air freight forwarders as well as their property rights, equipments, facilities, and franchise. RA number 776 as amended by PD 1462 CAB is an attached agency of the Department of Transportation. In the exercise of its regulatory powers, it is authority right to issue certificate of public convenience and necessity to domestic carriers, foreign air carriers permit to foreign carriers, and letters of authority to air freight forwards, general sales agents, cargo sales agents who are fit, willing, and able to perform service required by public convenience and necessity. CAB likewise performs quasi-judicial function. Next po.
So, in conclusion, the transportation institutions, organizations are both efficient to people and economy kasi parehas nag-benefit. And upon learning this topic, we are able to be familiarized to its roles and functions inclined in the tourism industry. And that ends our presentation. Once again, mabuhay